Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you the right way to delete a workspace in Notion. So if you find this workspace unnecessary and you want to delete this one, so all you have to do is go to the top left corner, select that workspace that you want to delete, go to settings and members, and then scroll down here and look for settings. Okay, once you found this, then you will see the features and the options, but you just have to scroll down and you will see delete this workspace. So you have to make sure that this is the workspace that you wanted to delete. You can make a copy first to make sure or save everything before you delete this workspace. Okay, so you just have to tap this delete this workspace. And if there is other instruction in order for you to permanently delete the workspace, you just have to continue. But for the sake of this tutorial, you just have to click this one to delete this workspace. As easy as that. So again, go to the left side, select that workspace that you want to delete, go to settings and members, tap settings, scroll down, and then look for delete entire workspace. As easy as that. So basically, that is the right way to delete a workspace in Notion. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.